Last week, Justice Isaac Muwata adjourned court pending a ruling as to whether the current witness that prosecution brought before court, that is Enock Kanene, who is a cyber crimes expert from Uganda Police, should continue testifying in court or giving evidence or not. To resume, Justice Muwata ruled that prosecution should provide all the evidence that they have and give it to the defense lawyers who had said that they have been trying their level best to ensure that they get that evidence so that they can also prepare defense all in vain. And they said they had written to prosecution since May this very year, but they had not made headways in terms of acquiring that evidence. And therefore, the order that has come from Justice Muwata means is that the CCTV footage that was picked by police from the home of the late Henry Katanga will be provided to the lawyers of the accused so that they can prepare their defense, plus also the data that they collected from the phones that were also picked from the scene, others also picked from the suspects. Justice Muwata declined to give an order to prosecution provide the phones to the suspects, where the defense lawyers had argued that denying the suspects a chance to access their phones contravenes the law, which allows the detectives to hold onto someone's property for purposes of search or even analysis only 72 hours, and it has already gone beyond all that time. Prosecution had said previously last week, where they said if you give out a phone or something like a gadget which is electronic to the defense lawyers, it just means like how you find someone who has a gun and is accused of killing a person and you just hand it over to them because they own it. There are 5 people who are linked to the murder of the late Henry Katanga, and these include Molly Katanga, who is the widow, plus 2 daughters of the late Henry Katanga, a houseboy or the shamba boy, and both the defense lawyers and prosecution asked for more time to prepare after this very ruling was issued by the Justice of the High Court, Isaac Muwata. And court was adjourned until next week on Tuesday, when the 2 parties will meet again in court. Sudhir Yaruhanga, NTV.